then continued jumping Jerry Bird joked that he was too short to double for any Hollywood heartthrob. Jerry Bird joked that he was too short to double for any. Jerry Bird joked that he was too short to double for any Hollywood Farksarks. The initial three-man star proved the biggest problem encountered while filming. There will probably be a C-124 available to work towards a 200. But he could stay still while filming you. Not only did he wear the camera, but he could stay still while filming you. Filming you. I jumped a 28-foot regular parachute. Yeah. I jumped a Just read the words. Try that again. Urged. Where the frick am I getting these words? But Barvin. but Barvin.